Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portrait using the grid method. This technique is a fantastic way to achieve accurate proportions and likeness in your artwork. It breaks down a complex image, like a face, into smaller, more manageable sections. By focusing on one small square at a time, you can meticulously transfer details, ensuring your final portrait is remarkably precise. It's a foundational skill that builds confidence for artists of all levels. To begin, you'll need to prepare your reference image and your drawing surface. Start by drawing a grid directly onto your reference photo, using a ruler to ensure each square is perfectly equal. Then, create an identical grid on your drawing paper. It's crucial that the ratio of your grids matches. For instance, if your reference grid uses 1-inch squares, your canvas grid might use 2-inch squares to enlarge the image. This setup is the foundation for accuracy. Now comes the exciting part, transferring your portrait. Work systematically, focusing on just one square from your reference photo at a time. Observe the lines, curves, and shapes within that single square, and carefully draw them into the corresponding square on your canvas. Do not try to draw the entire eye or nose at once. This methodical approach, moving square by square, ensures that every feature is placed with incredible accuracy, building your portrait piece by piece. After you have transferred all the details from your reference, it's time to refine your portrait. Carefully and gently erase all the grid lines from your drawing. Now, you can begin to connect the individual lines and shapes, smoothing out any edges and creating a cohesive image. This is also the stage to add depth through shading, highlights, and subtle tonal variations, bringing your portrait to a beautiful, lifelike finish. You've created an accurate foundation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.